Hello everyone, I'm Juliet Saki and this is my walkthrough for Advanced CSS. Today I'm going to build a shape. This shape, as you can see, is a shape that I choose because I like the 3D effect with this side darker. So one way to see it is like a double chevron shape. So let's make it. Okay, the process will be, we're going to create this side, this red side, and then the another one. After that, we're going to add the white rectangles. So our shape will be finished. To create this part, we're going to write a div with an ID name chevron. In our CSS file, I will set the size and its position. It will have position relative, text align center, its padding, margin burden, height, and width. Okay, then I will add content with before observable element. Its position is set with the absolute attribute. So, yes, chevron before, and now I will paste all the attributes. Okay, so here we have our first shape. As I said, its position is absolute because then we're going to add another shape, and this is this attribute and form. As you can see, is its value, and this degree will control how much we want to transform our shape. As you can see, more degree, more skew is the shape. It's visible. I like 10. Another degree is to skew in the other direction. Okay, now we need another half of shape, the darker one. So I will add content through the cellular element after. As you can see, it is almost like before because it will share so many things like position and height and width. So we create see, it shares a lot of things in common, but we need to set it up again because it's another shape. So here I changed the dark red, for example, the same red. So it is becoming to a 3D shape, sorry. And as you can see, the degree is -10. If I put just 10, it will be the same. But with the negative, it will going to be in the opposite direction. Okay, but I wanted to give it more interest. Maybe the white line crossing the shape. So let's create another div with ID, name it chevron 2. Okay, so we have another tip, but I wanted to make it over this shape, so its style will be almost the same. Position, margin, padding will be the same like this. So what I'm going to do is just to add it. Don't worry about what happened. Okay, so now that's the position and the size. And now what we're going to do is we're going to give it style with pseudo elements. Okay, it is here. But now I want to say that it will be almost the same, but I want it white. Wait a minute. I figured out that I forgot before pseudo element, sorry. Then it disappeared because it said the white color. But I'm going to adjust its position. So let's see how it is. Okay, and the height. Maybe just a little bit smaller. I like it. Okay, so we change its position, its height, and the color. Now what happened with another half? So we're going to create content with the pseudo element after. So it's almost the same. We repeat here. And then what we're going to do is reuse some coding. Okay, as you can see, here's my after content. But I figured out that I make a mistake because I said this change before the after style. So what I'm wanting to do is to change position and set it after the after content. And then the only thing that I need to do is to change its color. So I write gradient2 after background gray. So now we have our double chevron with 3D effect. I will say it, something like that. Or it could be, I don't know, a square, a half a square, but here's my shape. So I hope you like it and motivate to build a shape with light effects too. We can change colors to add it more interest and of course take advantage of pseudo elements. So I hope you like it.